promise to one another this time closer. Let's make a compact this time. A promise to each other that walang iwanan sa Arellano College Department. Okay? So let's have hands together, hand in hand. Go! Come on! Come on! Lapit, lapit, lapit. Kanya-kanya. Okay? Ready? Okay? Bilis! 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 Bilis, come here. Okay? Okay? Kapit-kapit lang. For Arellano University 2008 and 2009. 1, 2, 3, AO! Okay? Okay, huwag mo na umalis. Okay? Our theme this afternoon is Getting Dirty to Strengthen Unity. Yes, Gladys. Okay, sa pinakamarumi, no? So, natapos tayo ng masaya. Nawa, next year. Makinig! Hoy! Sige, sige, go! 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 Okay. Ay, wala pa.
Ang sakit sa pa. Ay!
Alay kayo, pwede pa katapon? Eh. Okay, kaya. Now, hindi ba? Magsasalita pa ako. Alay kayo rito. Hindi pa nga tapos to eh. Huwag mo na kayo mo, ang aga-aga pa eh. Okay, no? Compress. Hoy, tuloy lang, Pig.
Kala ko nga rin.
Okay? No. Pig. Siya yung pinakamarumi. Siya rin yung pinakamarumi. No. Hindi ka marumi. Ibang karumihan meron ka. Ibang rumi naman meron ka. Now, since napakita natin sa first year ng term ko na ganito tayo kasaya, let's make another more fruitful year this coming more years next term with a lot of activities. Kita yung kukunti natin pero masaya. How much more kung mas marami tayo ngayon? Let's campaign. Let's campaign for another and more population coming to Arellano University
Day.
and fill this building
Day.
with 10,500 students. Okay?
Dami. Dami masyado.
Huwag tayong... Okay, pahinaan ng music content. Pahinaan. Huwag sana... Isipin natin palagi, huwag tayo rito mag-aaway-away. Sama-samaan ng loob. Kukunti, tayo lang naman eh. Okay ba yun? Nawa, ang hapong ito ay magiging masaya tayo. May gagraduate ng mga fourth year, may susunod ng mga fourth year, may papasok ng mga first year, papasok ng third year, papasok ng fourth year. Yun. Okay? Now, another rock. Ready? For one last set. Rock. Ready? 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 One.